Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Walmart's checkout experience is undergoing a major evolution, setting a new standard for shopping in 2025. Gone are the days of endless queues and frustrating, complex transactions. This innovative system has been meticulously designed to prioritize your time and convenience above all else. It's truly a game changer, promising a remarkably smoother and faster journey from cart to car. Get ready for a remarkably streamlined shopping experience that puts you in control. The very heart of Walmart's 2025 checkout system lies within its greatly enhanced Scan and Go mobile app. It's incredibly simple to get started. Just download the app to your smartphone and securely link your existing Walmart account. As you navigate the aisles, you'll simply scan each item's barcode yourself, building a completely virtual cart right there on your personal device. This clever method transforms your phone into a powerful, portable register. Achieving seamless, touchless payment is now incredibly easy, integrated directly within your Scan and Go app. You simply add your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or a digital wallet, just one single time. When you're ready to complete your shopping, a quick tap within the app finalizes your entire purchase. This means you can entirely bypass physical payment terminals, making your exit swift and incredibly convenient every single time. Once your payment is successfully completed within the app, there's just one final, quick step before you go. You'll make a brief stop at one of the dedicated exit verification stations. Here, you'll simply scan a unique QR code displayed directly on your Scan and Go app. A friendly Walmart associate will then swiftly confirm your digital receipt, ensuring that everything is accurate and secure. This final check ensures a smooth and efficient departure for everyone. This innovative and fully integrated system dramatically cuts down on traditional checkout times, eliminating much of the previous frustration. You can now consistently enjoy a remarkably faster, more independent, and significantly less stressful shopping trip every single time you visit. Walmart is truly dedicated to continuously enhancing your in-store experience, making it as effortless and enjoyable as possible. This is the future of retail, designed completely with you, the customer, in mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.